Aloha guys! So I'm going to pick up my cousin. We are going to go to a grocery store called Island Grocery Depot, and it's like well, you'll see when I get in there, but it's kind of like a mix between a Costco, like a wholesale store, and a regular grocery store, but it's full of like different Asian foods. Being in Hawaii, there's lots of different Asian cultures here, and so they have all different kinds of Asian food there. And I'm gonna go there and see if I can find some fun snacks to try that I can't read. A lot of the stuff in there is in another language, so I have no idea what it is. So we're just gonna go, and hopefully my cousin's gonna be on video with me, but if not, it's because she's helping me out with the camera. So anyways, I will catch up with you guys later. Bye. Aloha. It's really, really hot today. I thought I would put some makeup on today because we're gonna try to film a video of some fun snacks, but I don't know, this makeup's gonna melt off, so we'll see what I look like in an hour. I also brought my swimsuit and stuff in case we decide to get in the water. Yep, I'm not going that way. Traffic is crazy on this beautiful Saturday. So in the next shot, she will be with me. Alright, we're gonna go get some snacks, and we'll see you soon. Island Grocery Depot, this is where we're gonna come get our crazy little snacks. I don't know, I mean, I'd try them, I suppose. Sorry. Okay. Fruit section. Wait. Heck are gooseberries? Ram's head. So check out this giant squid that they dried. Okay, well that looks like a chocolate covered something. So we're gonna try that. Okay, we're in the aisle that we need. Most of this I know what it is, but I don't know exactly what it is. Jabong peel. I'm not sure what that is. Pomelo skin? How do you use this? Do you just eat this? I'm not sure what that is, so I'm gonna buy it. I have no idea. Smoked cuttlefish. Codfish. Eel. spend that much on cuttlefish, like $9 on cuttlefish. These look good. Mini Kimmy balls. Have you had them before?
Yeah.
The what? For on what? Oh, they're like kicks. I don't even have to try them. We know they're like kicks. Where is the peanut butter?
I don't know. I think it might be this out.
I don't know how much they are, but I think we'll have to wafer cream, blueberry.
What's
Yeah,
these?
okay. So, right here. What is that? Okay.
Look at this.
Don't know. Okay, well, where is this from?
Mexico.
Mexico?
Oh, look at all this cool stuff.
Yeah, okay. I don't know what that is either, but we'll try it. What kind of weird drink should I try? I tried this one in one of my last videos I
Guided chew.
made.
Little strawberry. Guided chew.
Have
you had
I
these?
hate chewy stuff. No, have these?
These are fun. You
Yeah.
like this one?
Lychee or melon?
You like lychee?
Yeah. Okay. That looks good. Mango. Some melon. Huh. That looks kind of interesting.
Milk tea? I was just going to ask you about that.
You know what all that is? Lemon strip? No. I guess.
You already have it. You can put vanilla strawberry.
Yeah, that's true. I've had those before.
Oh, yeah?
What's this? Okay, yeah, that does sound weird and awesome. In the basket you go. Potpourri. I don't know.
Oh, I've had these before.
Hot and salted tamarind pulp candy. Made with tamarind.
These are
How much are these? $6. Oh, I really want to try them though. And there's a cocoa.
sugar color.
Sugar. What are these?
These are $1.89.
No, ew, I don't like coconut.
Oh, they have strawberry ones for $1.89. Or vanilla.
I got the blueberry ones instead. Aloha. So my camera died. I was doing an intro because I forgot to do the intro first. And of course, as I'm doing the intro, my camera dies, but at least I got through the rest of the video. So I'm gonna do an intro, I'm gonna put it together, but today I introduce you to one of my favorite people in the whole world, my cousin. You've probably seen her like randomly in some other videos. I know there was one of her and I walking through the bamboo forest with her daughter, and maybe a couple other videos, but I'm gonna insert some pictures of us together and probably insert some of the video, hopefully before my camera died. But we've been working on that video all morning long and it's hot. It's now just about 4 o'clock p.m. I came over here at maybe around 11:30. So yeah, we've been working on this for quite a while. I've eaten a ton of food And now I am going to relax in the pool. So I thought I would show you my enjoyment in the pool and maybe catch a little time lapse of the day. So I am at my cousin's house. Oh, the sun is so bright. I'm gonna look away from the sun. There we go. My cousin's house, her pool. She went to go work out with a friend and I decided to stay behind and enjoy the pool. So I will catch up with you guys later. I'm gonna start a time lapse of me in the pool. Bye. Aloha guys, so it has been a super awesome day. I got a lot of video today. I killed my camera. My GoPro is already or still full from before the trip and then the trip to Minnesota and San Francisco. And now I filled up our Canon card and yeah, and then my battery died, so, and then my cousin had to go, so I got a little bits and pieces I'm gonna be clipping together, but it was such an awesome day and I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. It was totally different than anything I've ever done before and she's into it, which means we can make some more videos, which is super exciting. So yeah, I will catch you guys later. Much aloha. Bye.